Hi everyone, my name is Daohan. I'm a master student of Shanghai Jiao University. It's my pleasure to report our research here. The title of our paper is The Symptom, Cause and Repair of Workaround. What is Workaround? Workaround is an especial way to resolve bug reports. The image below is a bug report resolved by workarounds. Some bug reports are resolved as workarounds, and workarounds raise questions. Are the problems fixed or not? Why are bug reports resolved as workarounds? The research on workaround is limited. Only one study analyzed API workarounds. No prior study has ever analyzed general workarounds. To deepen the knowledge of workarounds, we conduct an empirical study on workarounds. And our study analyzes the following questions. We proposed 3 research questions. Question 1. What symptoms can be repaired as workarounds? This research question concerns which types of bugs can be resolved as workarounds. Question 2. Why are bug reports resolved as workarounds? This research question concerns the causes of workarounds. Causes of workarounds is different from causes of bugs. In particular, given a bug report, we analyze why programmers have to repair it as workarounds. Question 3. How to repair bugs in the way of workarounds? This research question explores where the repairs are and why the repairs resolve a bug. We searched Apache Java for bug reports whose resolutions are workarounds and statuses are either resolved or closed. In this way, we collected 221 workarounds from 88 Apache projects. This is our protocols. 3 authors manually inspected all the workarounds. We inspected the bug independently and compared the results for differences. If any result is inconsistent, we contact programmers by sending emails or directly discussing on bug reports. This is our results. The answer to research question 1 is crashes. Unexpected behaviors and build and testing errors are often resolved as workarounds. The answer to research question 2 is that most bug reports are resolved as workarounds because their problems reside in libraries, settings, and clients. We noticed that these bug reports are often too difficult to be fixed fully and perfectly. The answer to research question 3 is most workarounds modify their own settings, build files, API calls, and the setting of libraries. Besides the answers to the above 3 questions, we have other findings. For example, for API workarounds, we found that functionality extensions and deep copies are less common to resolve API issues because they can introduce incompatible problems. Instead, as workarounds, programmers more tend to switch to other versions of libraries or change their settings to resolve such bugs. Due to time limit, we cannot present all our findings. If you have other questions, please send us emails. That's all. Thank you for your listening.